Jehovah's enemies are recognized by their intense dislike for his people and the work these are doing. Haters of God and his people are to be hated. We must hate in the truest sense, which is to regard with extreme and active aversion, to consider as loathsome, odious, filthy, to detest. An apostate might say, "But you should love your enemies and pray for those persecuting you." But that's just not the truth. That's not what the Watchtower has taught us. We must hate them in the truest sense. Be warned. Apostates may claim to worship Jehovah and to believe the Bible, but they reject the visible part of his organization. If they're not one of us, they're our enemy. As Jehovah's dedicated witnesses, all of us must be loyal to him and to his organization. We should never even contemplate turning aside from God's wonderful light, pursuing an apostate course that can lead to spiritual death now and eventual destruction. Be warned. Approved association with Jehovah's Witnesses requires accepting the entire range of the true teachings of the Bible, including those scriptural beliefs that are unique to Jehovah's Witnesses. Make sure you don't have any beliefs that might be different from the Watchtower, or you could be an apostate too. If you even doubt anything they teach, even if you think they might come around and correct it later, you're an apostate, and we hate you. Be warned. Apostates work in groups or individually. They come in all shapes and sizes. There might even be an apostate living in your house.